So we try to rig up this motor. And in a few minutes, I'll have you guys do this too. Do I have a wire here? There we go. I had one at the beginning of class. Anyway, to show you guys what it would do. So this started from a wire. There's a bunch of wire back there. Now it's insulated. Now you might have to strip the ends, but here, let me show you guys what not to do, because so many students over here that they want to do this. Want to take the scissors and go like strip. Don't do that, because there's like pressure applying, and there's like very sharp blades, and there's many eyeballs in the vicinity that we want to keep separate from the blades. So here's what you do instead: just make a very careful incision, go around, right, like this, very careful incision, and then you can pull the insulation off. Okay. Now you want the ends to be stripped so that you can create a complete circuit. Here's a very simple motor. Have you guys create stack of magnets? Boom. Okay. Couple of leads. I'm going to connect these leads to the ends of the battery. Okay, the setup. Okay. Now, the positive terminal, if you want to get this right, see, if you have it like this, it doesn't actually connect. So what I always do is just put it on top of the knob. You guys see it like that? See, it's not like that. It's like that on top of the knob. Okay. Otherwise, it doesn't connect to the positive terminal. Cathode. Okay. I've got this loop of wires. Okay. It's taped together, so you guys get to use the tape today. Okay. And you need to balance this, and balancing it is part of the trick. Okay. So you got this closed loop over a stack of magnets. Oh, and look at there you go. And how long will that spin for? Until the battery runs out, right? Because there's a finite amount of energy in here, and that's where that's the source of energy for this mechanical motion, right? So we got an electric current, okay, over magnetic field that is creating a physical force. That is a motor, right? You guys just saw a basic motor build. Okay, you guys get to build one of those today. And I'll have you guys do one more thing too while you're back to the lab area. There's a bunch of pairs of cups. Okay, if I fill one of these cups partway with water, okay, and then I take a couple of magnets. Now you have to know where the poles are in these magnets. The poles are on the faces. So there's like maybe a north pole here and a south pole here, or maybe it's the other way around. But I know those are the poles. I can figure out for sure by putting them in here. Now see how the poles are sideways? Right? You guys see the lines of magnets up here? Okay, so the poles are sideways. I put this in this cup of water, and this will align to Earth's magnetic field. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that way is north, that way is south. There you go. And that is a basic compass. See, if I spin this a different way, see, it always snaps back to one direction. That's a compass right there. All right, so you guys got the rest of class today, solid 15 minutes here to create a compass and a motor, and that will take us to the weekend.